Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I have wanted to do a trend that I've kind of been seeing around the internet and in other places of social media, and that is something called Dolphin Skin. And I was very intrigued and I definitely wanted to try it out and share with you my thoughts about it and how it can be used. So as you can see, half my face is done and the other half is not. And I wanted to just show you really quick the differences and whatnot, but I actually will be doing the other side of my face and I will be showing with you tips and tricks on how to achieve dolphin skin. So if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. Really quick, dolphin skin actually came from a term from a makeup artist, Mary Phillips. Sorry, I have notes here, sorry. And she's the one that started this trend. The point of the look that she says is to look like you just came out of the pool, like you dipped in, you came out from the water and you're just glistening and glowing and shiny. So really the look is to get away from glitter and more of balms and oils for your skin, which I will explain a little bit more. This isn't necessarily glass skin. Glass skin is more in the sense of just looking very luminous and smooth, like no pores and that kind of stuff. And so dolphin skin is a little more on the wet side, as you can kind of see. Mary Phillips basically has tried to strategically place highlighters and balms and oils on your face to kind of achieve that watery, wet look. So I'm gonna go really quick step by step on how to achieve that look. So the first thing that she mentions is, of course, prepping the skin before you actually apply the makeup, highlighter, so on and so forth. So she says in your skincare, the first thing you need to do is to take care of the skin. In that sense, she recommends you either exfoliating or using a brow blade, which she suggests you can just basically in a sense just shave off the top layer of your skin so that it's smooth and bright and glowy, and then you can apply your makeup and whatnot on top of it. For me, what I did is I just exfoliated. I did it really nice, really well, and just take my time to really take that really nice dead skin layer off my face and to really just get in there to make sure that it did really well. And I noticed when I was done with that, after I finished taking care of my skin, I did notice that it was very smooth and very clean, great for the next step that she has, which is then to use a hydrating mask, which if you think about it, makes sense. You're wanting a very glowy, dewy look, so you want to have the hydration to help your skin look very moist and hydrated. She suggests a 5-minute hydration mask, or for whatever mask you want to use, you can do that. Let it sit on your face, remove it, and then the next thing she also recommends is using a beauty oil to hydrate the skin. For me, I did those steps already, so to kind of show the differences and whatnot. So you can kind of see that I'm kind of already glowing a little bit on this side, and I haven't even put on the makeup. So you can kind of see that already. She does recommend that if you do have oily combo skin like me, she does recommend using maybe a matte foundation, matte moisturizer to kind of control the oil for you and your skin, so then you can then work on that. But mostly to just focus on that first before you then continue on with your makeup. Once you start using your makeup, she does, like I said, use for someone who has combo, use a matte foundation. So that's kind of what I'm using right now. So I'm gonna just quickly put that on and kind of then guide you through the next steps. I used a little bit of powder on my face, just under the eye, to kind of just set the concealer. And I'm actually gonna use a luminous powder. And it's actually from something I already did, and it's really good. I've enjoyed it so far. If you want to know a little bit more about it, you can check back in the description box below the trio of this Sunkissed Ulta Beauty palette. So I'm just going to use the luminous powder, which is this one right here, and I'm going to put it all over my face to kind of give it this nice glow. So I'm going to do the rest of my face, which is the bronzer, blush, and my eyebrows, as well as I'm going to do a little bit of my eye look. And then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how Mary says you should use the highlighter in your face to get that dolphin skin. So of course my camera dies. Fortunately, I did everything else and then it didn't decide to record it. So I didn't get a chance to show you exactly where the balm or oil would go on your face to achieve the dolphin skin. So basically the balm and the balm oils or liquid highlighter, which is what I use. I actually used a luminizer, which is the M2U NYC, and I also use Becca Ignite liquid highlighter. I used the luminizer first, mostly to kind of get that glow a little bit and to get it to set in places for the highlighter. The reason why I did not just the luminizer for in this case with this brand, and I will leave a link in the description box below a little bit more about this, just so that for me the luminizer is nice but it tended to fade, so I wanted to also use a highlighter, which is the Becca. And the recommendation that Mary says to achieve this look is that you want to get it in the temples here, your brow bone, the middle of your brows, which I understood it to be between here because it says a small area between brows, so I'm assuming it's right here. She also suggests the bridge of the nose and the top of the cheekbones, so you can kind of see exactly that, and your chin. So I got that area as well. So in the end, it almost looks like a very wet look. It's really great. I like it. It's a really nice trend. It gives you that wet look, but not glass or glittery, which is not what she does not want you to get. It's beautiful. I hope a little bit more about it comes out because it's very, very light and not much is said about it. If you are new to this kind of trend, I'd recommend that you take your time to understand. Just you know, be light with in your hand in placing these things. I actually put it in the brow bone, but I actually used a brush. I used this kind of brush here, and it's just very small and minor, and you can just place it here. You can also use one where there's a little bit more of a tip, and you can definitely get very precise for where you want to put it in your brows, but it's just very beautiful. I like it. I highly recommend that you try this out. And if you think someone else might be interested in it, share this video with them, let them know about it. But I really enjoyed trying out this trend, and I think it's great. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share it and share with all the other people that you think might be interested in trying out this trend. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And I hope you have a great day, great week, great weekend. Please be safe. I love you. Take care. And I hope to see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.